Current Affairs Bulletin for the week 9 July to 12 July 2016 will be of immense help for the aspirants. Current Affairs Headlines. President confers 51st Gyanpith Award on Dr. Raghuveer Chaudhary. Portugal wins Euro 2016 Football Championship. 2016 Wimbledon concluded. IUCN declares Bornean orangutan as critically endangered. Radhika Menon becomes first woman to bag IMO award for exceptional bravery at sea. Sushila Karki confirmed as Nepal's first woman Chief Justice. Kudankulam Nuclear Power Plant attains criticality. World Population Day 2016 observed with theme Investing in Teenage Girls. Current Affairs in detail. President confers 51st Gyanpith Award on Dr. Raghuveer Chaudhary. He was awarded with the India's highest literary honour for the year 2015. He had also received the Sahitya Academy Award in 1977 for his novel trilogy Uparvas. He was participant of the Navnirman movement that voiced against emergency in the 1970s. He is the fourth Gujarati literary artist to receive the prestigious award. Other three Gujaratis are Umashankar Joshi, Pannalal Patel and Rajendra Shah. Portugal wins Euro 2016 Football Championship. In the final, Portugal defeated France 1-0. Substitute Eder goal in extra time helped Portugal to claim the trophy. Eder was replacement of Portugal's captain Cristiano Ronaldo, who was injured in the match. Pepe, Portugal, was adjudged as man of the match. Renato Sanchez was adjudged as young player of the tournament. 2016 Wimbledon concluded. Wimbledon, the third Grand Slam of the 2016 tennis season, concluded on 10 June 2016. Andy Murray claimed the men's singles title by defeating Milos Raonic. Serena Williams claimed the women's singles title by defeating Angelique Kerber. With this win, Serena equals Steffi Graf's Open-era record of 22 Grand Slam titles. Pierre Hughes Herbert and Nicolas Mahut claimed the men's doubles title. Serena Williams and Venus Williams claimed the women's doubles title. IUCN declares Bornean orangutan as critically endangered. Claims 86% population reduction of the species between 1973 and 2025. It happened due to impacts of habitat loss, degradation and illegal hunting. This finding qualifies the species for listing as critically endangered. The Bornean orangutan is a species of orangutan native to the island of Borneo. The IUCN also put the whale shark, the largest fish in the world, on the endangered list. Radhika Menon becomes first woman to bag IMO award for exceptional bravery at sea. She has been selected for the award for rescuing 7 fishermen from sinking in Bay of Bengal. She will be presented with the award on 21st November 2016 at IMO headquarters in London. She is the master of the oil products tanker Sampurna Swarajya. She is the first woman captain in the Indian Merchant Navy. Sushila Karki confirmed as Nepal's first woman Chief Justice. She was endorsed as Chief Justice of Supreme Court by Nepal's Parliamentary Hearing Special Committee. She was recommended for top judicial post in April 2016. She was appointed the ad hoc justice at the Supreme Court on 22 January 2009. She was promoted to the permanent justice on 18 November 2010. Kudankulam Nuclear Power Plant attains criticality. Kudankulam Nuclear Power Project's second reactor attained criticality. The first unit of the plant had attained criticality on 13 July 2013. Criticality is a nuclear term that refers to the balance of neutrons in the system. At present, India operates 21 reactors that can generate 5,780 megawatt of electricity. World Population Day 2016 observed with theme Investing in Teenage Girls. World Population Day is an annual event observed on 11 July every year. The day seeks to raise awareness of global population issues. The event was established by Governing Council of the UNDP in 1989. For more on current affairs, log on to jagranjosh.com.